Hi, friends. Mrs. Barrett here tonight with a good story about hibernation. This one is called Bear Snores On by Wilson, and Jane Chapman. The bear is sleeping. Let's see what happens to the bear. Oh, there is his cave. That looks very cold in that picture, doesn't it? In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair. Through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. There he is. Shh, don't wake him up yet. Cuddled in a heap with eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day and sleeps through the night. He's very tired. My goodness. Ugh, the cold wind howls. The night sounds growl. But the bear snores on. I bet he's much louder than that, though. He's a big, big bear. Uh-oh. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. The mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. He's going to stay warm by the fire. The coals pip pop, and the wind doesn't stop. But look at the bear. The bear snores on. Shh, don't wake him up. Uh-oh. Two glowing eyes sneak peek into the den. Mouse cries, "Who is there?" And a hare pops in. This is a hare. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Tea and popcorn. Good snacks for a nice cold afternoon. Mouse sips wee slurps. Hare burps big burps. But the bear snores on. Don't make too much noise. A badger scuttles by. Sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums. Perhaps we can share?" "Ooh, I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." That's very nice of him to share. As they nibble, as they munch with a chew, chomp and crunch, the bear snores on. He's really, really sleeping. A gopher and a mole tunnel through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. Look at all the friends that are there having a nice warm party, and bear is still sleeping. They tweet, they chatter, they titter, they chat, and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. I wonder what's going to wake him up. Hare stokes the fire Mouse seasons the stew. Uh-oh. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Oh no! Ha 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 choo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. I wonder what's going to happen. Oh no, you're right. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls and he roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. Oh my goodness. Look at everybody run. Fast, fast, fast. Oh, you've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I had none. And he whispers and he moans and he wails and he groans. And the bear blubbers on. Oh, he's sad he didn't get invited to the fun. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Mouse is being very nice. Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, bear can't sleep. I wonder if it's springtime. Uh-oh. But his friends snore on. Oh, what a funny, funny story. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope to see you very soon. Thank you. Have a good day.